I'm Raylyn. Zay is my son. And I love chat because it gives us a chance as a family to just have fun and allows Zay freedom to express himself and not feel different than anybody else.
The best memory is just being able to be me and meeting my friend.
A lot of people don't look at Zay as disabled because he looks so normal, but a lot of his medical issues are internal, and it makes it hard for people to accept why he's different. It doesn't matter in art. It doesn't matter how fast you are, how quick you complete the activity. It's just whether or not you finish it and it looks good to you. The spirit of giving and donating to CHAP really does make an impact on our kids' lives, our lives as parents, as caregivers. Our kiddos gain acceptance, love, support, and we as parents get that safe place to know that our kids get that when they're at CHAP, because they don't always get that in the world in which we live.